to all. Good evening. Snigdha. Nihas and Patel from assistant B. Richard Ben. Yes. Am I audible? Very good. Yeah. Today we are going to discuss problems on zeros of a quadratic polynomial. So what is this? And all those we'll see. Ax square plus bx plus c, the general form of a quadratic polynomial. It is having two zeros and let them be alpha and beta. Every quadratic polynomial is having two zeros. Let the two zeros be alpha and beta. And we know the relation between zeros and coefficients. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. Okay. Now we are going to see some problems basing on zeros of quadratic polynomial. Okay na? Right. Let us start with a problem. There is a quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x plus 6. X square minus, let it be 5x, let it be 5x minus 6, whose zeros are alpha and beta. And we need to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. Let us consider a polynomial with unknown coefficients. Yeah. This is the quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus q, whose zeros are alpha and beta. Zeros of this polynomial is alpha and beta, and we need to find out alpha square plus beta square value. Okay, na? Basic problem. Now, whenever you have given a polynomial like this, immediately you have to write down alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value immediately. Whenever you have given a polynomial like this with unknown coefficients, Immediately you have to assume its zeros as alpha and beta. Immediately you have to assume its zeros as alpha and beta. And alpha plus beta is minus b by a. We know that now, which is minus p by 1 minus p. Alpha beta is c by a, that is q by 1, which is q. Alpha plus beta value is minus p. Alpha beta value is q. Okay, next. Now we have to find out alpha square plus beta square. We have to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now we have a formula that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2a. We have this formula. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2a. Then alpha square plus beta square becomes alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta minus p whole square minus 2 alpha beta is q, which is p square minus 2, which is p square minus 2q. So alpha square plus beta square value is p square minus 2q. Is that understood, children? Yeah. Now we'll observe one more problem. Find out alpha by beta plus beta by alpha value for the same polynomial. Find out alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Now take LCM for this. Alpha beta LCM, and here you will get alpha square plus beta square. Is that right? Now again, alpha square plus beta square we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Okay. Now we got alpha plus beta is minus p whole square minus 2 into q by q. So the answer will be p square minus 2q by q. P square minus 2q by q. Okay, now we'll see one more problem. Find the value of alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. Find the value of alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. Now from this we can take alpha beta common. Remaining is alpha plus beta. We know alpha beta is q and alpha plus beta is minus p. So alpha square beta plus beta square alpha is nothing but minus pq. Alpha square by beta, alpha square plus beta square value is alpha beta is q, alpha plus beta is minus p. So alpha square beta plus beta square alpha is minus p. And find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now how to do this? Again, we have a formula that A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Is that right? Now, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3AB into alpha plus beta. 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now substitute the values. Minus p whole cube minus 3 into q minus p. Okay. So this will be minus p cube minus into minus plus 3p. Understood, children? Hello? Is that understood? Good. One more problem we'll see. One by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. Find the value of 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. See, all these problems I am doing considering only this polynomial. But in exams you will be given different polynomials. Okay, na? Now, LCM alpha cube beta cube. LCM alpha cube plus beta cube. Is that alpha cube beta cube? Now on the numerator what we will get? Numerator what we will get, right? What we will get on the numerator? Yes. Alpha cube. Here you will get beta cube. Beta cube plus alpha. Beta cube plus alpha cube. Okay. Now, beta cube plus alpha cube we can write it as beta plus alpha whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into beta plus alpha by this one we can write it as alpha beta whole cube. Now substitute the values and tell me the answer. Substitute the values and tell me the answer, children. Fast. Your answer wrong, Vaishnavi. Right only, right only. Minus p whole cube minus 3 into q into minus p by q whole cube. Because we have alpha plus beta negative p, alpha beta cube. So this is minus p cube plus 3p cube by q cube. Okay. Okay, now children, after listening to these all problems, what you understand, which is very important, or what is the main concept behind solving all these problems? Can anyone say? After observing all these problems, after observing, who is Kashyap, which class he belongs to? After observing this problem, and we are solving many problems now basing on zeros. Okay, so in order to solve this type of problems, in order to solve the problems of this type, what is the important thing that we have to write? Yes, we should know the identities. Very good. We should know the identities. Good. Any other? Yes, finding the value of alpha plus beta, right? Finding the values of alpha plus beta, and even identities we have to write. We have to by heart identities. Okay. The most important thing is, whatever the problem is given to us, okay, whatever the problem is given to us, for example, alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. This is the quadratic polynomial. Its zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta is minus p. Alpha beta is q. We need to write that one. Okay. And we have to find out this value. So the very important concept is that whatever the problem is given to you, we have to bring down the problem, or we have to express the problem in terms of, alpha plus beta, that is very important. For expressing like that, we should be thorough with the identities. Understand? Understand, children? Okay, na? First of all, whatever the problem it is, we should be in a position that expressing the given problem in terms of alpha plus beta, because we don't know their values. We know their values. Alpha plus beta is negative p, alpha beta is q. Now substitute negative p whole cube minus 3 into q into minus p by q. Okay, na? So problems of this type, you have to thorough with identities. First one, if you are thorough with the identities, then it is easy for you to solve the problem. Okay, if you are thorough with the identity, okay, then it is easy to you to solve the problem. Okay, na? Good. Now, We'll see some other problems. Good, Nana. Whoever it is, that Kashyap, you are listening, that is very nice. You are listening to me, that is nice. Good. Yeah. If one zero of the polynomial a square plus 9 times of x square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Kashyap, you are from SKVM, is that right? Yeah. See, this is a quadratic polynomial. Is that right? This is a quadratic polynomial. And how many zeros it have? How many zeros it have? Two zeros. Very good. And it is given that the two zeros are reciprocal to each other. The two zeros are reciprocal to each other. That means alpha is equal to 1 by beta. Let us assume alpha, beta are its zeros, and according to the given problem, both the zeros are reciprocal to each other. That means alpha is 1 by beta. Okay, na? This is given. But we know alpha beta is C by A. Is that right, children? But we know alpha beta is C by A. Now, alpha beta. In the place of alpha, I will write beta into beta is C by A. Okay. Now, beta get cancelled. 1 is equal to C by A. 1 is equal to C by A. That means A is equal to C. A is equal to C. Now, what is A? Coefficient of x square. And what is C? Constant. So A is equal to C means A is coefficient of x square, that is A square plus 9, and C means the constant, which is 6A. Now, A square minus 6A plus 9 is equal to 0. Is that right? A square minus 6A plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, this is a perfect square. Is that right, children? A square minus 6A plus 9 is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. How many of you knows it? Yeah, everyone knows it. Okay, good. So how can we express it? How can we express it? Everyone is saying yes, 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 yes. Immediate question is there. How can we express it? A is equal to 3 whole square. This is nothing but a minus 3 whole square is 0. A minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. That means a minus 3 0, a is equal to 3. A is 3. Vaishnavi, I think your button is not working properly. Instead of minus you are writing, you are typing equal to. Okay na? Next question. Next question. Alpha, beta are zeros of x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Find k. This is the question, children. Alpha, beta are the zeros of x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta is 1. Find the value of k. Okay. Any idea from your side? Any idea, children? Alpha is equal to beta man. Sai Kaushik is saying answer 6. Okay. Can anyone say what is alpha plus beta? Anyone from the class? What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. How much it is? I am asking the value. What is minus b by a from the polynomial? Alpha plus beta. 5. Good. Minus of minus 5 by 1, which is 5. So alpha plus beta is 5. Alpha minus beta is 1. Okay. Now, simplify this. 2 alpha is equal to 6, alpha 3, and beta 2 out. No? If alpha is 3, beta is 2. If alpha is 3, then beta is 2, because alpha plus beta is 5. Na? Alpha plus beta is 5. We got alpha 3, then automatically beta will be 2. Now, we know alpha beta is equal to C by A. Is that right? We know alpha beta is equal to C by A. That means 3 into 2 is equal to C by A. C by A means K by 1. We know alpha beta is C by A. That means 3 into 2 is equal to C by A means K by 1. That means K is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. Kaushik told this one before only. Yara Kaushik? You told this one before only. Very nice. Actually today I told now everyone has to pay 20 rupees. No one paid today. Only 30 people are joined today's class. We will continue this class tomorrow. Okay. So at least click on the like button. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and leave the class. Click on the like button. If you are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, then leave the class. Bye. Mahaganadhipati. Mm.